Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on this engine today over here, and we're gonna probably pull this transmission out, see it, and start addressing the damage. I don't know what kind of damage. I mean, I know what damage I got. I got fucking blown block, and I'm wondering if the head is good. And I know the training, they said it was good, so we'll see. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Out.
I've been fighting shadows I can't outrun. War in my mind like a loaded gun. Every thought like a blade to my chest. No peace, no rest. But I hear you calling through the noise, cutting through the lies with your voice. There's a war within. I feel it now. Every doubt tries to take me down, but I won't let the darkness win. I'm not giving in. There's a war within, in my soul, but you're the truth that takes.
Didn't think of this part.
Every chain, every lie caves in this war within.
Roll this probably to the door. If you'll f***ing let me.
Is a battlefield, but your word is the sword I wield. Every lie that the enemy throws, I expose. You remind me who I am, not the past, but your plan. There's a war within. I feel it now. Every doubt tries to take me down, but I won't let the darkness win. I'm not giving in. There's a war within, in my soul, but you're the truth that takes control. Every chain, every lie caves in this war within. Take every thought captive, I won't let it control me. You gave me authority, now the enemy knows me. No more lies, no more fear, your truth is louder in my This battle's already won through the power of the sun. There's a war within, but I stand with your truth in my hands. Every lie has to break and bend. This is where I began, but I rise with your fire in my eyes. Every chain.
I hope y'all get a kick out of this, because I'm not. Alright, we're back. Broke them all loose by hand. Now we use my worthless impact gun. Whew, that kicked my ass. Whew. One, two, three. Probably should come out from that corner, so you guys can see.
Wondering if you still here, trying to make sense of
Alright, we're about to get this off. Finally.
another broken year.
Maybe not. Yo, you're starting to really piss me off now. Dang it! Seen piston damage. Well, I'm gonna assume this head's no good. Alright guys, let's see how fucking bad this is. That gasket was decent. Look at that. Cracked piston. Destroyed wings. There's pistons. Okay. I don't know, that looks alright. Piston crunch. Right off. Alright, so let's take a look at the bottom of the head. Doesn't look bad. Let me get a flashlight. Hold on. Looks good. I mean, I have to clean up a little bit. I mean, it's a shame. The take valves look good too. Alright, I will get that engine block on my engine stand. Yeah, that piston is completely cooked. Cracked. Could have been worse. Alright guys.